In this video, you'll learn how to create a two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar using the TwoSync platform. By following these steps, you will be able to keep your tasks and schedule organized seamlessly across both applications. Begin by navigating to the TwoSync website. This platform allows you to connect various applications, including Notion and Google Calendar. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate the syncing process without interruptions. After reaching the TwoSync homepage, locate the option to create a new automation. Click on the button labeled New Automation. This action leads you to a selection of automation types available for your integration needs. Next, find and select the option for Google Calendar Two-Way Sync with Notion. This specific automation will allow for synchronization in both directions, ensuring that any changes in one application reflect in the other. Once you select the appropriate synchronization option, you will see a confirmation screen indicating that you are connected with one calendar. Click on the button that says Continue to move forward in the setup process. After this, you will be prompted to connect your Notion account. Click on the option that indicates when Notion is connected, and then proceed by selecting Continue. This step is crucial as it establishes the connection between the two applications. You will now need to configure the fields for the synchronization. Start by clicking on Event Name. This action allows you to set how event titles from Google Calendar will be represented in Notion. Following that, select Date to specify how the dates from Google Calendar should sync with Notion. This step ensures that the timing of events aligns perfectly in both apps. Next, click on Attendees Relation. This option allows you to manage how attendees from Google Calendar events are represented in Notion. Ensure that this field is set up correctly for accurate attendee information. Continue by selecting the text option. This field typically refers to any additional text or notes that accompany your events. Proper configuration of this field is essential for maintaining context across platforms. Then, navigate Calendar Name Relation. This selection enables you to define how calendar names will appear in Notion, ensuring clarity on which events belong to which calendar. Repeat this action by clicking on Calendar Name Relationship, again to confirm your settings. Consistency in naming conventions is crucial for effective organization. After that, click on Text once more to ensure all necessary text fields are properly set up for synchronization. This ensures comprehensive data transfer. Next, select Conference Call Link. This field is important if you are managing virtual meetings and want to include relevant links in your Notion entries. Then proceed to click on Description. This field allows you to include detailed descriptions of your events, which can be vital for context within Notion. Continue by selecting Event Color. This option helps you maintain visual organization across your calendar and Notion, allowing you to differentiate between various types of events. Next, click on Event Type. This configuration helps categorize events based on their nature, such as meetings, deadlines, or reminders. Following this, select Event Visibility. This option allows you to manage who can see the events you sync between the two platforms. Then click on Free/Busy to manage your availability status. This setting is particularly useful for scheduling purposes. Next, select Google Calendar Link. This field provides a direct link back to the original Google Calendar event, facilitating easy access. After that, click on Is Recurring. This option is essential if you have events that repeat over time, ensuring they sync properly. Then select Location to specify where events will take place. This information can be crucial for meeting logistics. Next, click on Organizer to set who is responsible for the events being synced. This can help in managing responsibilities effectively. Continue by selecting Response Status. This field captures whether attendees have accepted, declined, or are still pending for events. Next, click on Sync Status. This step allows you to monitor the synchronization process and ensure everything is functioning as expected. After that, click on Continue to move forward with the setup. This action will bring you to the next phase of the automation process. At this point, select None to indicate that you do not have any specific conditions set at this stage. Then, click on Any to allow any conditions to be applied to your sync. This flexibility can be beneficial for broader event management. Continue by selecting Add Condition. This option will enable you to specify conditions under which the sync should occur. Next, click on Notion Property Value. This will allow you to define specific property values within Notion that relate to the events. After that, click on Continue to confirm your settings and proceed further. You will then need to click Continue again to finalize your configuration. Next, click on Continue once more to ensure all settings are confirmed and ready for implementation. Now, click on Test Synchronization to initiate a test run of your automation. This step is critical for verifying that everything is functioning correctly. Finally, click on Continue to proceed after the test has been completed. This confirmation will allow you to finalize the setup. To complete the process, click on start your automation. This step activates your two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar, allowing for seamless integration. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.